Hey everyone, this is the second part of my sound design explorations. I would definitely recommend watching the first part of the video to get acquainted with the plugins as well as the effects chain setup. I will go back to using only Massive. The idea is to explore different outcomes using the same resources. So first of all, I will get rid of the envelopes that make the build-up shape to the transition, and also get rid of the FM modulation. We cannot hear any oscillator sounds because the cutoff for the low pass filter is set way too low. I'll just raise it up. And there we go. So what I like to do is experiment with the pitch shifter to see how can I transform the sounds. And the formats can really help a lot with that. It is also a good idea to try out different notes. For example, right now I'm playing really high notes, but you can go for low ones, maybe it'll sound better. I'm a little bit stuck here, so I'm gonna go back to Massive and change some of the fundamental settings. In this instance, I will get rid of white noise because I think it simply overpowers the oscillators. Immediately that sound reminds me of an insect in the woods during nighttime. I would really like to explore that, so I'm gonna take the pitch shifter and make a second instance of the sound, where I will pan them left and right and play around with the pitch settings to achieve some depth. I will turn on shimmer and see where that takes me. Once again I'm a little bit stuck, so I will go back to Massive and see if I can change anything. I'm going to add a second filter, a scream filter, and feed oscillator 1 into it. Now it somewhat sounds like there's quite a lot of insects in the woods at night, but for me it's still a little bit too vague, so I'm gonna cheat and use a recording I've done of me popping bubble wrap. We can use that to imitate a bonfire, and in general create a soundscape of someone camping in the woods. I will get rid of the lows and the highs with the equalizer and transform it a little bit with the pitch shifter. If that is still too vague, then we can add some birds using a third instance of the pitch shifter and just playing with the pitch. Or if you don't want any birds, then we can simply set everything on fire by bringing back the noise in Massive and boosting the low end of the whole thing. that is it. I hope you found this video useful, or at least enjoyed watching me explore these sound effects. Have a great day and take care.